Whoa! Look what we got here. This one is the Geek Smart L-B400. This one is a smart lock that has 5 different ways to unlock the door. Check this out. You got the fingerprint unlock, which is probably the most high-tech, coolest way to unlock your door. But you also have a password unlock. You also have the app unlock with the mobile app. You can also use the RF tag to unlock, or you can use like the traditional keys. Boring. But either way, GeekSmart's got you covered. Whether you want to unlock with the highly sophisticated fingerprint reader or use a classic key, you got options, my friend. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we get. Use our bare hands to unlock this box right here from GeekSmart. Here we go. Well, inside the box right here, we got the manual for the LB400. We got some certification warranty right here, warranty card. We got a card right here with some dimensions and guides so that you can install with ease. Now to our grand event. Yo, look at this. Oh yeah, this thing is hefty. Nice quality build right here. This is the outside handle right here. You see there's a key slot right here, so if you want to use a key. On top, you got the fingerprint. You got the screen right here, so you can do password unlock or RF card or app control to unlock it. Pretty awesome. Pretty unique lock design. Like, people see this, it's like, whoa, this house got some serious locking mechanism. Of course, the inside component of that is also a round cylinder too. It's big like this because it also houses the battery in there. So this is what the lock looks like. Very unconventional lock, but very unique and high-tech. I mean, if you want to get a lock that's high-tech and advanced, do you want it to look like any other lock? Nah, you want it to look pretty awesome. And this lock looks really awesome in my book. This is the door lock from the future. We also got the latch right here. We got the strike plate as normal. We got some keys right here because you need mechanical keys because that's one of the 5 ways you can unlock, right? You got the RF cards. Dude, these are high tech, man. You just imagine how cool it is to walk up to the door and say, boop, let me unlock my house. Yeah, RF cards for the win. If you don't want to use a fingerprint or you want to use a password or the app lock or the keys, you got the RF tags. These are pretty cool. And we got some nuts and bolts right here for the installation. Not too complicated, pretty simple. I mean, it is a high-tech lock, but it is still a door lock. So again, that is the Geek Smart LB400 unboxing. Super excited to get this in my house. Smart home, smart lights, smart everything. Now, smart lock for me. Geek Smart's got you covered. This is the LB400, one of the more advanced lock in their series with 5 different ways to unlock. This thing's got you covered. High-tech, yeah.